we got us a little tri-tip today, and guess what we're gonna do? Yep, that's right, we're gonna put some Danos on it, but we're gonna make us a little sandwich. We're gonna make us a mushroom, onion, and Swiss cheese sandwich with the tri-tip. First thing I'm gonna do, I'm only gonna marinate this for about 30 minutes. So I'm gonna throw this bad boy into a bag. I'm gonna use liquid aminos. This stuff is super strong. If you use too much or you let this marinate for more than 30 minutes, for me, it makes it way too salty, but I love the flavor of it. So I'm just gonna go on and dump that all in there. It's gonna do the trick, trust me. This stuff is so strong. And then I love the coconut liquid aminos. This stuff with chicken marinated is the bomb. But we'll go on and add the rest of what I had of that in there as well. We're gonna let this marinate just like that for 30 minutes. Toss it around a little bit, get the air out so you can almost have it like vacuum sealed to where the marinade's gonna be more effective like that. Then we'll be back in about an hour. Because what we're gonna do, marinate it for 30 minutes and let it sit out for 30 minutes. Then we're gonna Dano it, and we're gonna throw it on the green egg. So see you in a minute.
Fire up that smoker one time, good buddy.
All right, so we're gonna fire up our green egg. So we're gonna use these little handy dandy biscuits that they sent us. And I also got the green egg lighter torch. Check this thing out. Watch this. Boom. Just get that going. Not only is it a torch, see, it's a torch, but you also can blow the flame to really get it going. How cool is that? Yeah. All right, so we got our green egg going. We got a bunch of little coals down in there. It's been going for a good hour. We're gonna use some green egg oak wood. So we're gonna throw us a couple big chunks of that in there. We're gonna give that about 15 minutes, let it get going. Then we're gonna cook this tri-tip.
There's that Dano boy popping his trigger finger again.
All right, so we got our meat marinated for 30 minutes. Now it's been resting for 30 minutes. Now we just gotta pick, do we wanna go Dano's original, the green top, or do we wanna go spicy, the red top? You know, I always lean towards the spicy because it's just that right amount of spice. It's just that little kiss of heat. I think today I'm gonna take this lucky penny I found, and I'm gonna flip it, and we're gonna see heads, spicy, tails, original. Oh, tails. So we're gonna take that spicy and we're gonna pop the trigger finger. We're gonna squeeze it just like this. And we're gonna give it a good coating. I promise you guys, I'm not putting too much. Low sodium, all natural, no sugar, no chemicals. You can use a binder on this if you want. I'm not. I'm going straight Danos. It's gonna stick to it. The seasoning is soaking right in. Look at that. It was heavily coated. Then we can coat it again. Promise you guys, we got that bad boy coated. It's time to throw this bad boy on the green egg with that oak smoke. Let's go.
Show them how to cook it, Dano.
It's rolling. It's up to about 400. Look at that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We're just gonna close this. We're gonna close the top. And we're gonna close the bottom for a little bit. And we're just gonna let that smoke with that oak wood. Just let that smoke really get in there. We'll see in a little bit. All right, so it's been about 10 minutes. It's down to like 250, but as you can see, basically all the fire went out. So we got some smoke into it. Look, I'm gonna shut this down. I'm gonna open this up. And down here, I'm gonna open this bad boy up. And that's gonna let a bunch of airflow in there, and that's what's gonna get this baby rocking and get it hot. We already got our smoke flavor in. Yeah, am I the best at this? No, maybe I am. I don't know, leave a comment. All right, y'all, it's literally only been 5 minutes. We walked inside, was getting some things prepped for the rest of this meal. And look, it's already up almost to 550. Look at that. You can see the oak caught fire down there. We're gonna sit right over this fire. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna let that get a little fire sear on there. That's what I'm talking about. Fire seared, baby, fire seared. And we're gonna stand right here. We're not gonna walk away from this. All right, so after 3 or 4 minutes, we're gonna flip it over. That's exactly what we wanna see. We're gonna let this flame kiss it for another 3 or 4 minutes, and then we're gonna close it again, and we're gonna cut off all the heat, and we'll have our sear on there, and we'll let it get the temperature. We're gonna get it to about 120, 125-ish, and then we're gonna take it off, and then we're gonna eat it, and we're gonna make that yum yum get you some. We're gonna make a sandwich with it. Been another 3 or 4 minutes. We're gonna close this. And like I said, we're gonna close all the airflow off again. And now we're just going to use the residual heat that's left over in there after the flame goes out. We're just going to get it to our temperature and then we're going to eat. So it's been probably a total of an hour or so. Oh, look at that, 122, 122.9. I'm gonna say that's right where we wanna be. Let's pull this bad boy off and then let's go make our fixings and let's make our sandwich. So we're just doing onions and mushrooms. Onions and mushroom, use some water, help cook them a lot faster. Put a little Danos in there. You don't wanna overdo it. Just a good amount. I'm also gonna do a little pinch of salt. Get some salt in there. We'll be eating in no time. All right, so they've been cooking down for about 10 minutes. Got that water cooked out. You can see they're right where we want them. And we'll see you over at the cutting board. We're here, and it's time to cut into this bad boy. Start right here on the little tail part of it. Oh, that is looking good, my friends. Look at that. Look at that when I press down. Are y'all excited? I am. Make sure you leave a comment. Tell me what you think about this. That looks delicious. We're gonna go on and get us a little bite here. As soon as I put that in my mouth, I could taste that oak smoke. That's awesome. Shave this off. Shave it nice and thin. I can hear Brad in the background breathing heavy. There you go. Gonna put our bun. I like to use that artesian bread. Start stacking it on there. We're gonna use our little green egg torch to melt our cheese.
That looks like it tastes dynamite. Give me a nibble.
Like I think when I bit into that, I can really just taste like that rich oak flavor. I can taste the meat, the onions and the mushrooms and stuff. Nothing on there is overpowering anything. You get to really taste everything. That's amazing. Let me know what you think. Hit that like button. Leave a comment. Tell me what you thought of this. Tell me what I did wrong. Tell me what I did right. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Keep sprinkling, my friends.